Okay, so about that. Okay, so, didn't get this one. Okay, so this is apples, pears, and bananas, and to be honest, it can't be that bad, because I like all of them, so it just looks like really bad something. Applesauce, that's what it's called. Ooh, this is good. Oh, it's good. This is the only kind of baby food my kids gonna be eating. Good. Anyway. Okay. Next up is green beans. Yay! Ew. Oh, I'm not even gonna say what that doesn't. I'm not gonna say what this even looks like. It smells nasty. Ooh. Oh my god, that is nasty. Oh my. I feel bad for these kids. That's nasty. Okay, thank God, last but not least, sweet carrots. Now, I love carrots. It's the one kind of vegetable I usually eat, so let's hope this isn't that bad. Okay. Come on, this is the last one. Has to taste, somewhat decent. Oh my god. Okay, no, that was, oh my god, oh. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Thank God that is over. Okay. Oh my god, my pants. Oh my god. Oh my mind. Okay, good. That's what I'll say. That's nasty. Okay. So, that was nasty. If I had to pick one, this is probably the nastiest. And then squash with bad, one bad. Only good kind was this. I think I need to eat some of this. Just to, I mean, I know it's allergy season and everything, but I mean, oh god, my taste buds. Oh, thank God little kids don't have taste buds. Well, at least I hope they don't. This is so sad because this is my ones. This is what I'm talking about. This is